Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Career Prep. In this video, you will learn the basic concepts and tips to alphabet test related questions in reasoning, which will surely help you in the competitive exams. Alphabet test is one of the most important topic in the reasoning section of the competitive exams. The reasoning section of every competitive exam includes questions from the topic alphabet test. This topic is considered to be quite important, and every year a number of questions are asked from this topic. The different types of questions that are asked on this topic in the competitive exams have been divided into different categories to make you understand the topic well. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel. Also press the bell icon to get notification as soon as we post a new video. So let's start. Alphabet test deals with different types of questions based on the English alphabets. To solve these questions, you should have a basic knowledge of alphabets. You should know the alphabetical series as well as the respective values of the alphabets. You should know the position number of the letters in the English alphabet. Look at this table. This table shows the position number of the letters in the English alphabet from A to Z, where A is equal to 1 and Z is equal to 26. Memorize this table and be perfect with the position values of the different letters of the English alphabet. You should also know the position number of the letters in the English alphabet in reverse order. Look at this table. This table shows the position number of letters in the English alphabet in reverse order, that is from Z to A, where Z is equal to 1 and A is equal to 26. Memorize this table and be perfect with the position number of the letters in reverse order. Memorize these two tables and be perfect with the position values of the letters in the alphabet as well as position number of letters in reverse order, as you will use this concept in solving many questions in alphabet test. So memorize these two tables and be perfect with the position number of the letters. Before proceeding to the various types of alphabet tests, let's understand a few basic concepts. In the English alphabet, A, E, I, O and U are called the vowels. Remember, A, E, I, O and U are called the vowels, and the remaining letters are called the consonants. If in a question it's given to the left, it means that you have to proceed from Z towards A. If in a question it's given to the right, it means you have to proceed from A to Z. A preceded by B means BA. This means B comes before A. A is preceded by B. So B comes before A. A followed by B means AB. This means that B comes after A. A is followed by B. That is, B comes after A. So it is AB. Similarly, A precedes B means AB. This means A comes before B. A precedes B. A follows B means BA. That is, A comes after B. A follows B. It comes after B. Remember the word EJOT. The word EJOT can help you in remembering the position number of the alphabets, as the word EJOT has a difference of 5 between each letter. That is, the position value of E is 5, J is 10, O is 15, T is 20 and Y is 25. So there is a difference of 5 between each letter of the word Ijoti. Now supposing you need to find the position value of the letter V, it's easier to remember with the help of the word Ijoti. Here you know that the position value of T is 20. So U will be 21 and V will be 22. So the position value of V will be 22. Thus, the word Ijoti can help you in remembering the position number of the alphabets very easily. Now, to find the position number of a letter in reverse order of the alphabets, you have to subtract its value from the number 27. For example, if you have to find the position value of the letter E in reverse order of the alphabets, you have to subtract the position value of E from 27. You know that the position value of E is 5. So subtract 5 from 27. 27 minus 5 is 22. So the position number of E in reverse order of the alphabets is 22. Hope you have understood all these basic concepts. Let's now familiarize ourselves with the types of questions that are asked in competitive exams on alphabets. There are 4 types of questions based on the alphabet test. They are arrangement according to the alphabetical order, alphanumeric sequence, letter word problems, and word formation. Let's learn the basic concept of these 4 types of questions and also how to solve questions of these types. Let's understand how to solve questions based on arrangement according to the alphabetical order. In this type, questions are asked based on arrangement of words according to alphabetical order. Arranging words in alphabetical order means to arrange the words in the order as they appear in the dictionary. So, to arrange words in alphabetical order, the first letter of each word is considered first, and words are arranged in the order in which these letters appear in the English alphabet. So, to arrange words in alphabetical order, first consider the first letter of each word. For example, consider the 2 words pen and cat. When you need to arrange these words in alphabetical order, cat comes first and then pen, because when you consider the first letters of both the words, C comes before P in the English alphabet. So cat comes before pen when you arrange these words in alphabetical order. In case the first letter is the same in 2 or more words in the series, then the second letter is considered along with the first letter and words are then arranged accordingly. So if the first letter is the same in 2 or more words, then consider the second letter. For example, consider the words clip, chat and cat. Here the first letter is C is the same in all the 3 words. So the second letter is taken into consideration. So here the second letter is L, H and A. When you consider the second letters, you will see that A comes before H and H comes before L in the alphabet. So the words are then arranged as cat, chat and clip, because A comes before H and H comes before L. Now in case the first 2 letters are the same in 2 or more words in the series, then the third letter along with the first 2 letters is taken into consideration and the words are arranged accordingly. So if the first 2 letters are the same in 2 or more words, then the third letter is taken into consideration. For example, consider the words ensure, entry and enforce. Here you will notice that the first 2 letters En are the same in all the three words. So the third letter is taken into consideration. Here the third letter is S in ensure and T in entry and F in enforce. So the third letters are S, T and F. In the English alphabet, F comes before S and S comes before T. So the words are then arranged as enforce, ensure and entry, because when you consider the third letter here, you'll notice that F comes before S and S comes before T. So the words are arranged as enforce, ensure and entry according to the alphabetical order. A typical question asked in arrangement according to the alphabetical order is like this. Arrange the given words in alphabetical order and choose the one that comes first. You are given 4 words here. You have to arrange these words in alphabetical order and choose the one word that comes first. Here you are given science, scrutiny, scripture and scramble. Now first arrange these words in alphabetical order. Here, since the first 2 letters SC are common, consider the third letter of each word. Here it is I, R and R. As I comes before R in the English alphabets, science comes before the other words. So science is the word that comes first among the 4 given words. So the answer is option A, science. Remember that you may be here, they've asked you to choose the word that comes first, but in other questions you may be asked to choose the word that comes second or third or last, or the word that comes in the middle and so on. But the method to solve that these types of questions is the same. You have to first arrange the words in alphabetical order and answer whatever is the given question. In the alphanumeric type of questions, the questions are asked based on a jumbled sequence of letters, numbers and symbols. To answer these types of questions, you must be familiar with a few concepts. A, E, I, O and U are called the vowels and the remaining letters are called the consonants. A preceded by B means BA, that is B comes before A. A preceded by B means B comes before A. A followed by B means AB, that is B comes after A. A precedes B means AB. This means A comes before B. A follows B means BA, that is A comes after B. A kind of question asked in the alphanumeric sequence is as follows. Refer to the alphanumeric series given below and answer the following questions. A star 5 9 I N and E at hash U 1 and. So you are given a alphanumeric sequence here. You have to answer the questions based on the given alphanumeric series. Here the question is, how many vowels in the above arrangement are preceded by a symbol? You are given 4 options. You have to find out which of these options is correct. Now here you are asked to find how many vowels in the given alphanumeric series is preceded by a symbol. This means the vowel has to be preceded by a symbol. That is, the symbol has to come before the vowel. So you have to search for the combination symbol vowel. Here A is a vowel but there is no symbol before the vowel. I is a vowel but 9 precedes I. So there is no symbol before the vowel I. When you look at the vowel E, there is a symbol before the vowel E, which is and. So the vowel E is preceded by the symbol and here. And the next vowel here in this series is U, which is also preceded by the symbol hash. So E in the given alphanumeric series, E is preceded by and U is preceded by the symbol hash. So there are two such combinations, and E and hash U. So the correct answer is option B, 2. This is how you solve alphanumeric sequence based types of questions. Other types of questions that may be asked in the alphanumerical sequence includes sequences that consist only alphabets or sequences that consist of only numbers. In the sequences that consist of only alphabets, the alphabets are arranged in a specific pattern, and questions based on this type may be asked in the form of rearrangement of letters or changing vowels and consonants according to some condition, and so on. Now, in sequences comprising of only numbers, the numbers are arranged in a specific pattern. Questions based on this type may be asked in the form of rearrangement of numbers or digits in ascending or descending order, or changing the digits according to some conditions, and so on. We'll solve a few problems on based on this type of sequence in a later video. In letter word types of problems, questions are based on the letters of the given word. To answer these types of questions, you must be familiar with a few concepts. You should know the alphabet series in the correct order, that is from A to Z. You should know the alphabet series in the reverse order, that is from Z to A. You should know the position values of the alphabets both in the correct order and in the reverse order. You should be clear with the concept of to the right of the letter or to the left of a letter. There should be no confusion regarding these concepts. One of the most frequently asked questions in the letter word problem type is how many such pairs of letters are there in a given word, each of which has as many letters between them in the word as they have between them in the English alphabetical order. This means that you have to find pairs of letters in the word that have the same number of letters between them in the word as they have between them in the English alphabet. For example, there are two letters between A and D in the English alphabet. So, if the letters A and D have two letters between them in the given word also, then the letter pair A and D is one of the answer pairs. So you have to find how many such pairs of letters are there in the given word. This may look complicated to answer, but there is a shortcut method to find the answer for this. So let's learn about the shortcut method with an example. Let's learn the shortcut method to solve letter word problems with the help of an example. How many such pairs of letters are there in the word chairs, each of which has as many letters between them in the word as they have between them in the English alphabetical order. So here you have to find pairs of letters in the word chairs such that each pair has the same number of letters between them in the word chairs as they have between them in the English alphabetical order. Now the shortcut method involves both the forward direction and solving in the backward direction. So first let's solve uh, in the forward direction. For that first write uh, the letters of the word chairs in the first row. So write CHAIRS in the first row. Since we are solving in the forward direction, we'll start first with C, then move on to H, then A, then I, then R, and then S. So first we'll start with C. After writing C, write the letters that come after C in the English alphabets. So write C, D, E, F, G and H. Now compare these letters with the letters in the word chairs. So you'll see that D does not match with H, E does not match with A, F does not match with I, G does not match with R, and H does not match with S. So in this row, there is no answer pair as required. So let's move on to the next letter of the word chairs, which is H. So write H in the next row. Then write the letters that come after H in the alphabetical order. So write H, I, J, K and L. Now compare these letters with the letters in the word chairs. You'll see that I does not match with A, J does not match with I, K does not match with R, and L does not match with S. So in this row also there is no answer pair as required. So let's move on to the next letter, which is A. Write A and then write the letters that come after A in the alphabetical order. So write A, B, C, D. Now compare these letters with the letters in the word chairs. You'll see that B does not match with I, C does not match with R, D does not match with S. So there is no answer pair in this row also. Now consider the next letter I. Write I in the next row. Write the letters that come after I in the alphabetical order. So write I, J and K. Now compare these letters with the letters of the word chairs. You'll see that J does not match with R, K does not match with S. So in this row also there is no answer pair. So move on to the next letter R of the word chairs. Write R. The next letter after R is S. Now compare this with the letters in the word chairs. You will see that R matches with R, S matches with S. So you have an answer pair in this row. RS is one of the answer pairs. Now let's solve in the backward direction. For that, first write the letters of the word chairs in the first row. So write CHAIRS in the first row. Since we are solving in the backward direction, we have to consider S first, then move on to R, then I, then A, then H and then C. So let's start with S in the next row. Write the letters that come after S in the alphabetical order. So write S, T, U, V, W and X. Now compare these letters with the letters in the word chairs. You will see that T does not match with R, U does not match with I, V does not match with A, W does not match with H and X does not match with C. So you'll see that there is no answer pair in this row. So let's move on to the next letter of the word chairs in the backward direction, which is R. So write R. After R, write the letters that come in alphabetical order. So write R, S, T, U and V. Compare these letters with the letters in the word chairs. You will see that S does not match with I, T does not match with A, U does not match with H and V does not match with C. So in this row also we do not have any answer pair. So let's move on to the next letter I. Write I in the next row. After I, write the letters that come in alphabetical order. So write I, J, K and L. Now compare these letters with the letters in the word chairs. You'll see that J does not match with A, K does not match with H, L does not match with C. So in this row also we do not have any answer pair. So move on to the next letter A. Write A in the next row. Write the letters that come after A in the alphabetical order. So write A, B and C. Now compare these letters with the letters in the word chairs. You will see that A matches with A, B does not match with H, C matches with C. So here in this row you have a answer pair A, C. So next move on to the next letter, which is H. Write H in the next row. The letter that comes after H is I. Compare these letters with the letters in the word chairs. You will see that H matches with H but I does not match with C. So in this row you do not have any answer pair. So finally you have found one answer pair RS in the forward direction and another answer pair AC in the backward direction. So there are two pairs of letters RS and AC. You'll see that R and S have no letters between them in the word chairs. Also, R and S has no letters between them in the English alphabets. Also, A and C have one letter H between them in the words chairs. That is, in the word chairs, between A and C there is the letter H. Also, A and C have one letter between them, B, in the English alphabets. So, RS and AC are the required answer pairs. So, there are two pairs of letters which So there are two pairs of letters uh, in the word chairs, each of which has as many letters between them in the word as they have between them in the English alphabetical order. Hope you have understood this shortcut method to solve the letter word problems. Solve as many letter word problems as possible with various other words. This will help you to understand the concept better and also makes you to solve these type of problems faster. Finally, you should be able to solve such types of letter word problems within seconds without even having to draw the table. So practice as much as possible. The next type of questions in alphabet test is word formation. Word formation tests your verbal knowledge as well as logical skills in the limited amount of time. You should have a strong vocabulary to solve these types of questions. Some types of word formation questions asked in competitive exams are as follows. Word formation using letters from a given word. In these types of questions, you're given a word. You have to form new words using the letters of the given word. Next is forming words with selected letters of the given word. In this type, you will be given a word and you will be asked to form new words using selected letters of the given word. For example, you may be asked to form a new word using the first, second, and fourth letters of the given word, or second, fourth, and fifth letter of the given word, and so on. So you have to form new words with selected letters of the given word. The next type is forming meaningful words using the given letters. In this type, you will be given a few random letters. You have to form meaningful words using these random letters. The next type is word formation by unscrambling the given letters. In this type, you will be given a few letters in a jumbled form. You have to unscramble these letters and form new words. Formation Next is formation of meaningful words by adding letters or words to the given words. In this type, you will be given a few words. You have to add the same letters or words to the given words to form meaningful words. You will understand all these different types of questions when we solve a few problems on word formation. Viewers, please go through this video till you have understood the concept. Watch our video for solved problems on the topic arrangement of words according to alphabetical order. If you have liked this video, please like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you.